viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect, or we are going to add new network that's name is Huobi Mainnet. Yes, if you need to get this information, so please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. But before going to start this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So if you open my YouTube channel, after that you just simple click on video portion, and then you can see here our last video is how you can connect your Coinbase wallet with GMX. GMX basically decentralized exchange, and you don't need to provide KYC. You directly connect your wallet and you can easily trade in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Avalanche. So I hope you will get the information about decentralized exchange from my last video. You must watch. Okay. So right top corner you can see here the Coinbase icon is shown in front of me. First I need to open this Coinbase wallet. I'm just going to enter my password, which is I have applied when I was create account. Now my wallet is open front of me, and if I'm going to check the network, simple go to the click on setting button, and then check the option network option. You can see here, and you can see here by default shown the network like Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Base, BNB, Phantom, or OP Mainnet, Polygon, but non shown here Huobi, because some subscribers sent to me message they wants to add the Huobi Global or Mainnet on Coinbase wallet because they want to use. So first we have checked, and the Huobi Global is not installed by default. So I'm going to open the Coin Market Cap or CoinJacko. The CoinJacko is open in front of me, and this time Bitcoin price is $27,532 and Ethereum price is $1,619. So I am going to check the top 100 lists. It may be available. Huobi exchange, Huobi network related to Huobi exchange like Binance, like KuCoin. So I am going to check the Huobi. I will also give you information KuCoin in my next video. How can you add the network of KuCoin? So yes, you can see here Huobi is available 93 number. This time price is $2.34, and the total volume is available here, and total market cap is also available here. So going to simple click on it. The main page is open in front of me of CoinJacko, where you can get the all information about this network, this token, or this exchange. Okay. So if going to discuss about the price, click on maximum and check the all-time high, almost $35 all-time high, and this time price is almost $2.34, and we are going to check the cross check 94% down from the all-time high and 2 years ago, and all-time low is 0.31% from 7 months ago. If you buy 7 months ago, so you will buy on 0.31 cent of this token. Huobi Global basically exchange where you can trade, buy, sell your coins. It's depend on you. I'm not giving to any financial advice. If we are going to check the official website huobi.com, now the official website is open in front of me. Now you can see here HTX. Buy crypto only HTX, sign up and trade to earn. but we need to add this exchange network on Coinbase wallet. If you need to save your coin directly your wallet, so you must have the mainnet added already in your wallet. Okay, so you can read the all information about this exchange HTX. Before going to add the information, you must have these information note down in your notepad file. First, network name, Huobi Eco Chain Mainnet, network URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and also block explorer. You can type all information at your side in your notepad file. After that, I just simple copy this information I put down in my Coinbase network option. So going to open the again Coinbase wallet and going to add the Huobi mainnet on this wallet. You just simple click on right top corner plus button, add or import custom network. Simple click on plus button. Now the main page is open in front of me and you can see here network name, RPC, URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and also block explorer. Simple, I have already write all information in my notepad file. Just simple copy, Control C and paste here. Next URL, so just simple copy URL, just simple copy, Control C and Control V. Next is chain ID 128. I enter manually, and the currency symbol is HT. The blocks bar is optional, it's depend on you, but I am going to add. Just simple copy and open and just paste here. Now I have filled all requirement on these tab, and you can see here some network may be used for the purpose only add network that you trust. So this network is trusted, but it's depend on you. I just want to add, so simple click on save button. When I click off save button, so my wallet is disappear from me. I'm just going to again open and check the network is available or not. So you can see here all network is available here, but I need to check the Huobi mainnet is available or not. So you just simple click on custom option. Okay, now you can see here the Huobi eco chain mainnet is shown front of me. So you just simple use it, and also you can save your coin on this chain or this network. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you add the Huobi mainnet add in your Coinbase wallet. This is so simple and easy. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. You can also comment below this video. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.